If you're still dressing the same way you did at 25, you're leaving your best look on the table. Your 30s are when a handsome, mature style finally works at its full potential. Today I'm showing you exactly what that looks like. 4 complete outfits that make you look sharp, handsome and put together as a mature man. Let me explain what actually shifts when you hit 30 and why your wardrobe should shift with it. In your 20s, you're experimenting. You're trying trends, following what's popular, buying fast fashion, because you're figuring out your style or you don't have enough money. You're often dressing to fit in with peers, to look cool, keep up with whatever's trending. And that's fine. Your 20s are for exploration. But after 30, something changes. Your features have matured. And here's what's interesting. Nice clothes will elevate your look in ways they simply couldn't in your 20s. Your face structure, your presence, everything benefits more from refined, intentional style now. This is when you start looking genuinely handsome in tailored clothing. A well-fitted blazer, quality trousers, leather shoes. These pieces make you look sharp and put together in a way that casual streetwear just can't match anymore. Now you should understand that fit, fabric and timelessness matter more than whatever's popular this season. And here's what refined style doesn't mean. It doesn't mean looking old or conservative. It doesn't mean abandoning casual wear. It means elevating everything you own. Taking the basics and choosing better versions with better fit and better construction. Now let me show you exactly what that looks like with 4 complete outfits. Let's start with weekend wear, because this is where most guys default to graphic tees, distressed jeans and flashy sneakers. Here's what refined weekend style looks like. Navy blazer and a textured fabric. The texture signals this is a casual sports jacket, not a suit jacket without matching trousers. White or light blue Oxford cloth button-down shirt. The OCBD is inherently casual but still maintains polish. Dark indigo straight fit jeans. No distressing, no fading, no trendy cuts. Just clean, high quality denim in a classic fit. Perfectly mature. Brown suede loafers to finish off the look. While this works, the blazer elevates the entire outfit. Quality denim instead of trendy cuts shows you understand timelessness. This is elevated casual, taking everyday pieces and refining them through better choices. Business casual is where younger guys often stumble. They mix formality levels, dress shirt with white sneakers, or wear ill-fitting pieces. Here's what refined business casual looks like. Light gray textured sport jacket, light blue dress shirt, no tie, stone or sand chinos with pleats and high rise. The pleats create that elegant line. The high rise sits at your natural waist, creating proper proportions. And to finish off the look, dark brown tassel loafers. Why this works, every piece is in the same formality range. The textured jacket signals a separate piece. The high rise chinos create that elegant intentional line. The leather shoes complete the professional look. Summer is when many guys default to baggy shorts, oversized tees and athletic wear. Here's what refined summer style looks like. Light gray linen wool jacket. The linen gives you breathability. The wool gives you structure, so you don't look wrinkled. Navy polo shirt in quality fabric with proper fit. White jeans or cream chinos. White jeans create high contrast and look distinctly summery. Again, brown suede penny loafers. Add sunglasses. Why this works? Summer doesn't mean sloppy. The linen wool jacket is breathable but sharp. The polo maintains that structured color. White jeans are a bold but refined choice. This demonstrates that warm weather doesn't require sacrificing style. It just requires smarter fabric choices. This final outfit is about confidence through simplicity. Here's what refined smart casual looks like. Tan or brown textured sport jacket. Chambray or light blue linen shirt. Mushroom or stone cut-in chinos. These earthy neutral tones create harmony with the brown jacket. Brown leather Oxfords or Chelsea boots to finish off the look. No tie, minimal accessories. Why this works? Earthy tones create visual harmony. Texture creates visual interest without patterns. The jacket shows intention. Nothing is trying too hard. This demonstrates confidence through simplicity, letting quality pieces speak for themselves. So here you have it, 4 complete outfits showing what refined style looks like after 30. The transformation isn't about your age. It's about attention, quality and understanding what works. Your 30s and beyond are when nice clothes finally work at their full potential. If you want to build a complete wardrobe with pieces that work together like these outfits, I've put together a free essential style guide with the 14 foundational pieces every man needs. Link in the description below. And if you want weekly insights about the systematic approach to style, join my free newsletter through the link below. Which of these 4 outfits resonates most with your lifestyle? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.